typical stick-built construction, you're on the other side of that wall. So the outside wall has been sheeted, and the vapor barrier gets installed in the inside. So we wire the box up, and then we have to figure out on site how to vapor seal that electrical box. Very difficult at that point in time. The way we do it, we can stand on the outside of that wall, the vapor barrier is in place, the drywall is in place, and now we can put a nice bead of acoustical sealant around that box, fit a vapor barrier into it, and we have a perfectly airtight seal at that point. 10, 11, 12 on the side, and we drilled them up through into the attic with plug those.